Hi everyone, how is everything going? Do you still get confused between countable nouns and uncountable nouns? Well, in this lesson, I'm going to talk about countable nouns. Those are actually the easiest ones. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the button subscribe. Well, countable nouns. Actually, countable nouns refer to things that we can count. Yes, those are things that we can count. You can count. Let's take a look at the words. Bird. Bird. But we can count, right? A bird. A means one bird. A bird or one bird. Actually, in singular form, we can put a or n before nouns. Yes, countable nouns can be singular or plural. Nouns have singular and plural forms. And if it's singular, we should put a or n before nouns. A bird means one bird. A cow means one cow, right? A cow. A school, one school. A doctor means one doctor. An apple also means one apple. But here, it's not a, but n. The reason is the word starts with the vowel. So that's why we should put n. An apple. Again, a. The word starts with e with the vowel, so an egg. An egg. An egg. The same, the word starts with the vowel u, so an umbrella. An umbrella. An umbrella. But here, the word starts with the consonant b, consonant c, consonant s, and consonant d. So, it's not rocket science. Now, let's take a look at the plural form, as nouns can be singular and plural. A bird, if there is one. If there are many, we can say some birds. If there are many, we can say some birds. Or we can say its exact number. 3 birds. 3 birds. 3 birds. A cow. Some cows. Some cows. Or say the exact number. 2 cows. 2 cows. A school means one school. Like there is a school in my town, means there is only one school in my town. School. Some schools. Some schools. Or 5 schools. 5 schools. A doctor. One doctor, or some doctors. Some doctors, or number 3 doctors. 3 doctors. An apple, same. Some apples, or 10 apples, 20 apples, 5 apples. An egg means one egg, an egg, or some eggs. I need some eggs. There are some eggs in the fridge. Or we can say the exact number, 10 eggs. An umbrella means one umbrella. An umbrella, some umbrellas. There are some umbrellas in my house. Or 5 umbrellas or 2 umbrellas. In plural, we should add s at the end of the word. So it's not 3 birds, but 3 birds or some birds. The same, not 2 cows, but 2 cows or some cows. 5 schools or some schools. Okay, so let's wrap it up. Countable nouns are things that we can count, right? We can count, and they can be singular or plural. And in singular, we should put a or n before the word, but in plural, we should add s at the end of the word. Okay, that's it for today. I hope the lesson was helpful. See you next time. Bye bye.